Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So I am back with another tutorial video of how you can find a clean version on Spotify. So to get started, go ahead and tap on your Spotify application. Now in the search bar, you can select any song or you can search for any song that you want to listen. For instance, I have searched for this particular song. So here you can see there are many songs that is appeared on my screen when I search for this song. Now so go ahead and select the songs. Now you can see all the name or the playlist is named on the same name or the playlist. And here as you can see on the each song or the playlist, the little icon on the E is written right there. So that E indicates the explicit audio. So on the other playlist where the little icon on E is not written, that is the clean version of Spotify. You can recognize clean version on Spotify like this. You can click on the clean version and listen to it. So this is how easily you can find a clean version on Spotify. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel, and also do not forget to press the notification bell for more updates.